So here's all the parts. Here's everything you get right out of the box. You can see right here, everything doubled up because I got the 2-pack. So looking good there. This right here is a spigot. You've got the base, the main unit, the lid. One thing I really like, they include a couple of signs right here with a little pen. So you can put punch, lemonade, or whatever you happen to be serving that particular day. You can put them on there, erase it when you're done, and use it again. That's a really nice feature. All the instructions are right here, along with the part breakdown. So I think assembly is going to be very straightforward. The most involved part will be putting the spigot in, but I don't think that's going to be too much hassle. The first part is going to be putting the spigot in. The spigot, you get 2 parts. This right here obviously goes on the outside. This is the filter, goes on the inside. And you get a couple of little sealant washers right here. So I'm going to put one of the washers right here. I'm going to slide this in. I'm going to put the other washer on the inside. Then I'm going to take this and screw it right in. And I want to get it good and hand tight. I don't want to over tighten it, but you want to make sure you get it good and tightened by hand so that it stays in place, isn't moving around. All right, I think we're in good shape. Next, we want to put the top, lock it down on the base. And you'll see right here, these grooves, these are going to line with the front. So what you want to do is you want to take this, you're going to put it on here at just a slight angle. There we go. Once it slides down, you're simply going to turn it to lock it in. It's all locked in, looking good. And lastly, you're going to get the lid set up, all set. First of all, you're going to take this off, unlock it. You're going to slide this filter right through here. This is going to be really handy for refilling. I'm going to set that right down there. After that, simply going to take the cover, and set it down, and lock it right back into place. And there we go. Piece of cake.